The French premium brand's DS4 2024 adds a touch of luxury to the Stellantis series. Hey guys! Welcome to my channel. The DS4, Citroën DS4 until 2015, is a compact car and the second model of the luxury sub-brand DS, currently produced by the independent brand Citroën. As of 2021, this is the second generation based on the new EMP2 platform used in the Opel Astra 6 and Peugeot 3083. The DS4 competes with the Audi A3 and Mercedes A-Class, but unfortunately not for the US, but for Europe and China. DS, the premium brand of PSA and now part of the Stellantis brand of Fiat Chrysler automobiles, has introduced the DS4, a new and attractive compact hatchback. DS is working with Alfa Romeo and Lancia on a high-end model, with the first model expected to arrive in 2024, Automotive News reported this week. Maybe you'll be lucky enough to get them. Driving a French car outside France is a clear sign of individualism and an appreciation for a unique and noble aesthetic. Since its inception as a premium brand like the Citroën Genesis and Hyundai-based Volvo Polestar, DS has offered a variety of interesting, sophisticated, and beautiful cars. The latest is the DS4, which was announced this week and will be available in Europe and China later this year. Redefined segment boundaries in several ways. The DS4 measures 173.2 inches long, 72.0 inches wide, and 57.9 inches high, making it well suited to the European compact car segment, where it competes with the Audi A3 and Mercedes-Benz Class A. However, DS4 has a sedan. With its clean lines and slender headlights and taillights, the DS4 has a very modern, sporty, and geometric look. The roofline is coupe-like and is available across 3 model ranges. It's a cross model that plays with the refined and elegant base model, the sporty performance line, and color contrasts, but it's not an SUV like the performance line. Cosmetics only. It doesn't look very cool, but a closer look at the car reveals an aggressive boldness not found in many American models that have undergone countless auto clinics. It has a drag coefficient of 0.30 and has a special wheel and tire combination specifically designed to reduce tire drag and aerodynamics. The interior features contemporary shapes and the impressive luxury that characterizes DS models. Clean lines, crystal and glass elements, and sophisticated materials create a look unrivaled in its class. Only Mercedes-Benz models offer similarly rich but more conservative materials. The French love of detail is evident in every corner of the DS4. For example, the performance line features faux carbon fiber trim, while higher-end models have an ash finish. When the DS4 is released, a version with a fish skin-like surface will also be available. The center console is equipped with a touchscreen for data entry. It features an advanced voice recognition system and a 690-watt focal stereo system. The combination of electronic comfort and assistance systems exceeds the standards of the category. Customers can order a night vision system that can recognize pedestrians from more than 200 meters away, while a new head-up display projects information directly onto the road. The Matrix lighting system offers premium features, and the daytime running lights are powered by his 98 LEDs, creating stunning lighting effects. The suspension can also adapt to information from cameras scanning the road surface. This technology has previously been a feature of luxury cars. Under the hood are 130, 180, and 225 horsepower. There are 3 gasoline engines. Other options include a powerful 130 horsepower turbo diesel and an E-Tense plug-in hybrid with a total system output of 225 horsepower. All models are equipped with an 8-speed controlled automatic transmission that DS calls e-toggle. Within the Stellantis group, DS can compete with products from Citroën, Peugeot, Opel, Alfa Romeo and Lancia, without forgetting the American brand. But we must abandon our desire to compete in the American market. DS chief designer Thierry Metro said launching the brand in the United States was not a priority. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.